Well, hey there. This is polyurethane foam, and what we're going to be trying to do today is machine it so that we can make a master for a silicone mold that I'm hoping to make replicas of what I machined today. Now, I've never done this before, and I'm not exactly sure what type of bit to use, but I'm just going to use a 1/4-inch downcut bit and see what happens. It's pretty rigid for a foam, and it goes by many different names. This is actually a sculptural block if you were to search it on Amazon, or if you searched Balsa Foam, this pops up too. The make of it actually seems a lot like that expanding foam that you use for window gaps, stuff like that in construction. I'm not sure what's going to happen today, but we'll find out together. So that wasn't supposed to happen, but let's focus on the good stuff. It machined remarkably well. It stuck down to the bed perfectly fine with double stick tape. When I pulled the double stick tape off, it left no residue on the back of it, and that is a huge success. So I'll give you some close-up shots of this, but the lines for my topo map are extremely crisp. I didn't have any fraying, I didn't have anything that I needed to actually sand away. And I'll be able to use this test piece to see if it spray paints well, because some foams out there, you can only use certain types of paint on them because they will be eaten away by the solvents in the paint. I'm gonna have to order another block of this and have this come in, and we'll try this all over again. In the meantime, I'm going to attempt to fix my CNC machine because that's no good. Oh God, no, that did not move at all. Oh. And yeah, join me next time when that's probably what I'm gonna be showing y'all. Thanks. Bye.